What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a quick eyelash, not review, but I want to see if this new eyelash glue that I came across, and I did do a video, is down in the, I'm going to say link, but I will put a link in the description box, and or you can go to my channel and review it there. Let me get some gloss on these lips. How are you today? You good? Ugh. I really am not a glossy girl. But it's okay. Okay. So if I'm looking this way, I'm looking at my mirror. So, okay. So I have a clean face, and I wanted to do these lashes to see if I can use some individuals with this new glue that I have discovered. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get prepared. I have me a little bitty mirror here, and I'm going to put a couple of strips on this mirror. I'm going to put a little bit of glue. I'm going to start with, these are mediums. I'm going to start with those, and I'm going to see how long these lashes last. I will give a update on this. So if you want to see an update on this video, I am going to just make an update video. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So I'm going to get I'm going to do the first row of the lashes. These are not free. Adele natural lashes in the color black and medium. So you want to take your lashes off. Take them out of the container. So I've cleared this very first row, and I do have them on my mirror. Okay. So I'm going to put a little bit of dab of this Esqido, I think it's how it's pronounced, lash glue on my mirror, just a tad bit. And I'm going to see if that works better, or do I need to just put it on each one, which will take forever. But we're going to see. I got a little dab, just a little dab of my new discovered phenomenon. Okay. So I am going to take the first lash, and I'm going to dip just a little bit of, I'm not going to be real. Okay. Give a little bit of fan, and I'm going to go in. I have to look too here. The hardest thing is trying to do this on camera. Okay. So we got the first one in. Not bad, not bad at all. Give me 1 second. Let me move my mirror close. So I'm here. I'm gonna move you back so I can. Okay. So let me go ahead and do the other one. And if you watch any of my other videos, I already, basically describe how you do lashes, especially individuals. You gotta be patient with this because it's a learning process. I really want to see if this is about, if you can see how much I'm putting on there. I space my lashes out. Then I go in. This one right here is acting up. Then I go in and just fill them in. And it just depends on you or your client, or how thick or how many they want on. They want to put as closely to your lash line. And I've been doing this a long time, and I'm not a professional. Well, I ain't gonna say I ain't a professional. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Remember, this glue was white, so I can see a little bit better than the other ones. So hopefully maybe I can get a few days wear out of these lashes. Now, because I'm not real. Let me clean my. Okay. It's not my best work, but I'm trying to speed through this before this glue gets really tacky. And I won't be able to use it. Now, they say this glue is waterproof also. I'm black, so I ain't gonna say I'm black, but I'm not running my face through no water unless I'm washing it. They was in that video, they was submerging their whole face in water. I was like, oh, I'm not doing that. Okay. Let's try that again. Yeah. And I always have 2 sets of tweezers because one tweezer may work, another tweezer may not work. One grip might be too much for the lashes, and another tweezer might be just right. So have some different type of tweezers on deck so you can switch in between them. And go in under and press them down because sometimes they can be sticking out. So far it's working. I got about maybe 5 more lashes here on this mirror. I'm going to go ahead and grab some more glue. I am going to put a little bit back on my mirror. Go ahead and try to finish this eye out. Ooh. So far, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. If I get out of the focus, I'm sorry. I'm going in and filling in the gaps. And I'm trying to move a little bit quicker with these lashes because that glue gets tacky really quick. Okay. So now we're gonna let that dry. I used to have a little fan, but I'm gonna use this. Let's let that dry. Looking real natural. It doesn't feel heavy. I'm not getting any type of anything dripping into my eye. I got 2 more on this little mirror. I'm going to go ahead and just finish this side out. Now, when you do your lashes, you can do it however you want to do them. As full as you want it. Just a few little if you need it. Yeah, that's not working for me. That one lash, like, it's always one part on your eye that you never can get. I didn't add any more because I already had enough on that end to kind of just push it in there. So you see a little bit of that, but it'll dry clear. It better dry clear. We're gonna put some mascara on that shit. Okay, so while that is really drying, I am going to pause and I am going to go and I am going to do the other eye, okay? And then I'm going to come in and I have some longs. I'm going to go ahead and throw them in there. And then we're going to see what the finished results is, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, so this eye kind of gave me some issues, but I got it. So this is medium. They're not too full. They're like just right for me. But if I wanted to go a little bit extra, I will go in and add some longs. Okay. Now I don't know how long they're gonna last. So let me go ahead and add some longs in here. Add some, had to go out and buy some packs just for this. Okay, so I went in with the doubles. It's more fuller. Let me show you the difference in them. Okay, so I went in and just kind of gave it a little bit of volume. I don't really like a whole lot of, I mean, unless it's a strip. Okay, so I went in, like I was saying, when you have kids, you can never do a video. But anyway, I went in and I filled it in with the doubles, kind of give it a little bit of volume. I like it like this. If I want more dramatic, I go with the lashes. So I don't wear individuals a lot because I change up my look so much. But it's tacky and not, come on, I don't want to tug on a whole lot because they're still kind of wet. But this is the finished results. What do you think? And if you see a couple of white little, you can always go in with some mascara. It is still kind of tacky, so just be careful how much glue you use. The dabs on here is all the ones I use. Let me see. They're pretty solid. Now, the strip that I had on in the video with the original review of what I did, I took some makeup remover and a little bit of oil, and it came right on off. Was no problem. And then a little bit of residue I had on it, I just put a little bit of oil or a little bit of grease or whatever you got, and you just rub it in, just peel it off and just wipe it or whatever. But it came off perfect. So I'm really happy with this. It does not have a strong smell. I kind of smelled a little bit in between me putting it on here. But with this, you have to work quick because it gets real tacky after a while. And hopefully it stays for a few days. I am going to keep them on. If I see anything different, I will come on here and do an updated video. I am going to get in the shower and I am going to go and let the water rain on my head, and wash my hair and stuff and see if they come off. But I will give you updated video. I will say sometime next week. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Thank you for coming to my channel. I did do a review on this eyelash glue, and it is $10 on their website. I do, like I said on the other video, I do have another lash glue coming, and it comes with lashes. I just don't know when they're coming because everything just seems to be behind. I have wigs that's been stuck in shipment for 2 weeks. So anyway, but until then, thank you for coming to my channel, blessing me with some love, some likes. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. It is free. I am trying to grow my channel. Until then, peace out.